Sorry, babe.
No, you're fine.
Hey, watch, Connie, look!
Watch.
They're up in the sky!
Hold on to me, baby.
I got you, baby. I got you. What do you think so far, buddy?
You like them?
What time is it anyhow?
I don't know. I can't see time.
Did you find Jess?
No.
Damn it.
We have no connection to...
Where's my phone at? I'll call her.
Right here.
Okay. I have that.
Home?
Oh, sorry.
Well,
Oh, we got 2 messages up there. Oh, just. Oh. Hey, cuz, where's your furniture? Sorry. I don't want to dump any alcohol.
it's fine.
I lost everybody.
Yeah, I know. Where is everybody?
I don't know.
I have no service.
Me either.
Oh, wow.
Here.
Wow.
Found other people I don't even know. Doing shots. I like it.
I know.
Been out so long.
I know. It's been a while for me, too. Because I've been sheltered up so much.
But I better eat something because I haven't eaten.
Oh, dude, that's not good.
Oh, that's cool.
That's not good at all. Yeah. See, I'm lucky. I got a designated driver.
Me?
Plus, we got a wedding to go to.
Really?
Yeah. There's going to be a party like no tomorrow. Sorry, babe. You know, I've always heard French fries are actually a good sober operator. One of my best friends told me that. I don't know if it's true. Never really tried it. It has something to do with the starch you put in the fries. I love it.
Love you.
Man, where the hell is she? I want to see my pal. I haven't seen my pal in a while. He's cool. Where's my dad?
I know your dad.
There's Michelle.
Your dad's right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Oh.
We're coming up.
Hello.
Oh, no, go ahead.
You hear me now? Good. What?
Ow.
Sorry. Just don't lose Cody. Hello. Hey, what up? What up, cuz? What up, cuz? Hey. You alright with the boat? You're right with the lemonade stand. Right with the boat come out of. Right, make a move. I can go around to the back of me. Ow! That hurt my ear. Where are you guys at?